The blue should tell you this is Lowe's. No music again. This is great. What do you think I'm doing here? Can you guess? Oh my God, I almost panicked. I almost panicked. And maybe I should still panic. You get stuff when you see it, folks. You know that. I know that. My Lord, it is never easy to shop here, is it? Okay. We have a ribbon. We have a ribbon. We shall possess this. It's mine. Oh my, that's mine. I haven't paid for it yet, but other than that, it's mine. To you. It's 67 degrees out. I'm getting the 80s again today. Still feeling a little warm, but you know, this is the kind of weather that I think people get out early in. My baby. My new baby. It's a Tacoma. What is the technical name for it? Let me give you all the words. Tacoma Bells of Fire, Tacoma Georubin PPAF. Such a pretty color. I saw one on a Facebook group, a Tucson Facebook group. They've got quite an active Facebook group, and it was spilling over a wall and just a huge wall of color. I want to get that done. I did have a couple of these my first year gardening here 2 years ago, and I planted them outside my windows. I have 3 windows on that side of the house that look directly at my neighbor. My neighbor's house, right in their window too, we're kind of lined up. We're mirror images, the neighbor on that side, not the ladder guy, but that one, the tree person. Everybody's got a name. And I put those in, and you know, they grew kind of tall, and they weren't thick or anything. They were spindly. And for some reason I took them out because I thought they died. And I brought them back here, and I put them in a container, and I left them, and I didn't treat them very well. And I think they would have survived. I just didn't know what I was doing, I think. This is what I'm looking at right now. Lovely little spots of color. It's not perfect, it's not organized, it's hardly formal. I can see the flaws, but sometimes I just see the pretty stuff. My new bougainvillea is showing up nicely. Hello, this is my original. Looking so pretty. And my new one. And I don't want to get in the sun. Let's see, can I film this without being in the sun? Look at those sweeties looking so, look at the maroon and yellow. Right there. Most of these are doing okay. Again, I've got to irrigate, but as far as blooming, they're doing fine. I jumped up this morning because I thought I have to come put some pots together with whatever dirt I have. I'm not going to be able to go to the store and get dirt and haul it, and go ahead and get these daylilies out and get these back in pots. Reorganize the drip irrigation to where it looks a little bit better. Anyway, I jumped up to come do that. Right now, right this minute. Didn't even finish my coffee. Oh, wait. We gotta say hello. We have to say hello. Hi. You're so cute. Oh, you're pretty. Anyway, so here's the plan. Here is the plan. A lot of those containers have dirt. Dirt. I'm gonna reuse the dirt I have. Make sure it's holding moisture. And then I'm going to put together some containers, just a hodgepodge or whatever I can put together for the daylilies. And the placement of the daylilies will be back over here. This gets full sun, and the daylilies are very happy with that. Somebody told me that that's actually going to start cutting sun off to my bed. I already don't get enough sun on this bed because it's against the wall. I didn't create this bed. That part was here. But I did put this part out to give myself some extra planting room. You know, this would probably be the best right in here, but this is planted and done. I'm not gonna change that. Things to think about. Here's some containers. I could go ahead. They already have some dirt. Just top those off. Get the daylilies in there, just for the winter. Probably not as much work as I think it's gonna be. Still working on this. Still kind of sore. So pretty. So messy. I could take my hose. I think I just hosed something yesterday and got dirt on the pots. But boy, this is dead space, isn't it? Anything else? Did I talk to you about the bamboo? I cut the water off to every other day when the temperatures drop to 50. My bamboo are paying for it. There's no way they should be this yellow. I didn't even realize. So I put the probe in the other day and they were dry. That one's dry. A couple things. I'm gonna let them go for the next few months while I'm gone, simply because I don't have the hand power to negotiate that. I may have to divide them. By doing that, I'll have to use a Sawzall. I have to get in there and cut. They were to provide screening, but right now, do you see all those? They're just, boy, I don't know. I'm sorry I missed it, and I thought I could turn the water off to every other day, every 48 hours. Just didn't watch it close enough, did I? At least I'll either have to manually water the rest of the marigolds or go ahead and take them out. They look a little tired anyway. And maybe they weren't getting enough water when I cut the water back. That's quite a little dip in there, isn't it? I think maybe because I was digging or something. The ones that are off water right now are those along the back. This side is still watered. Don't you just want to sit here and have coffee and enjoy these colors? Me too. Me too. Let's do it. To get my gloves out of the washer, they're dry. I've been in there a couple days. I'm kind of liking these guys. I like the color. I know I bought them to plant carrots in. You know, they're pretty big for that. I know that you're probably screaming that I'm using old dirt, old potting soil, but it's just what I need to be doing right now to get this task done that I wasn't planning on. This is out of the way. It does get a certain amount of sun. They don't need sun, they're daylilies. They do need sun, but not in the winter. They're not going to need anything, is my point. I need to tidy this area up anyway. It's kind of hodgepodge. It's not uniform, it's not lined up. I got to get the irrigation fixed, even to this part right here. That little spray is just really not going to take care of everything. I got about a week and a half to get my irrigation set up for another extended absence. What I was checking right here was, do I have enough holes and are they deep enough? because those can get clogged really quick. It is going to drain onto these pavers, and I do hate that part so much. A friend of mine made those for me, my dear one. I watched Laura from Garden Answer, and I just can't do what she does. She's got some, I'm 68, she's got 30 years. Probably not much more, but 30. I'll tell you what, I was thinking about it yesterday, and I was saying to myself, 40 was okay, you know, and older. 50 is when stuff really starts changing. Really starts going fast as far as stamina, breaking down, weird things, really weird things. I don't think each container is going to get its own plant. Depends on the size, I suppose. All right, so guess what? I don't know which colors are which. I have no idea. No idea at all. Wait, I do have one tag. So that's exciting. Let's start on this side. I just replanted this one. Two, three, actually. Yes, I have a shovel. No, I don't want to use it. Okay. I guess I'll get that shovel, huh? They're picking up. That's the bottom of my bed. I hit gravel, by the way. I'm not worried about standing in the bed right now because what does it matter? It's gonna lie fallow for this winter at least. This is honestly so much easier. So much easier. These daylilies really enjoyed most of this bed, but they're not getting enough sun anyway, so that's fine. Sunflowers are something else, aren't they? Since I have the shovel out here, while I was massacring the bed, I decided to go ahead and get out the sunflower stalks that are coming out fairly easily, but I've got the shovel in there now. I'm all about it. Word. I have more, and I still have more to go. Oh boy. I've got two really big ones here, and still more to go. Right now I'm freaking out about the mess. I'm not gonna lie, I really hate a mess on my pavers. I planted marigolds and then I'm gonna let these die. They do look tired anyway. I don't know how much I want to push my hands. I did take goodness. I have a baby lizard, and this guy is so baby. Let me just see if I can't show him to you. Okay, don't take off, little babes. You see that little baby? He's so little. He's not a desert spiny. I forgot what I said he was. Oh, he's so tiny. He's so little. You know, they have been, I think, living underneath daylilies, enjoying life under them. There's no right or wrong about irrigation. You just do what works for you. If you like it, you like it. I know I have a bad habit of not saying goodbye. I'm not sure how other gardeners are doing it, whether they're saying their goodbye before they start. I don't know why this seems so hard. I am not into the dirt on the pavers. I really hate the dirt on the pavers. Now, a breeze has kicked up, so maybe the dirt will blow away. Hopefully not inside my house. I do want to go back out to Garden Canyon when the wind blows. I have to ask permission by email. I don't like to keep asking, hey, can I film out there for a week? And then, you know, there's no wind and the leaves haven't changed, but there's a breeze today, just started, and the leaves are changing. I should put in an email, see if I can't get back out there. Oh, especially when it gets cooler, just imagine. It must be so pretty out there. It's pretty in here too. Here. No, if you can see the bougainvillea from there, maybe? I hope so. Hello, hello. Watching butterflies out there. And a bee. What a wonderful breeze. Sprinkler is on. I don't know if you remember the little whirly I put in that center little area I created, kind of that dead space I needed to use for planting. And because I was gone, I needed to water everything at once. It's just whirling away. Let me show you. I magnified it, and I hope you can see what I see. It's just whirling around like a little helicopter guy. He's so cute. He's dispersing enough water. You know, drip irrigation is really great. Boy, I really do love sprinklers. I love them. He's just precious. And isn't he just getting her done? I love this little guy. Seems like a spring day instead of the first week in November, doesn't it? So cute.